Hello, Tab Nation. It's Tom, and today we're going to be doing something pretty different. We're going to still stick with my channel's theme of automation, but we're changing it up because I am actually on macOS for the first time. Every video I've done so far, I believe, is all in Windows. I don't think I've done any Linux ones either. So just got a hand-me-down macOS from my grandmother. So let's explore automation on the macOS. If this is something you all want to see more of me expanding on here, definitely hit a like button. If I get hit 50 likes on this video, I'll definitely start doing some more of them. So just let me know. And then in the comments, kind of let me know. It's been 10-15 years since I've really used macOS. So I'm probably pretty out of date, forget a lot of that stuff. We're going to be doing Hello World with AppleScript. It's kind of one of the built-in automation code that macOS has. Pretty simple, but pretty powerful at the same time. Obviously, auto hotkeys does not work on the macOS, so if there's other scripting languages that you know besides AppleScript, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to explore those. And yeah, we'll go from there and just do some videos on macOS automation. There's also, I know, a built-in program app on here called The Automator, not to be confused with Joe, the other YouTuber who does a lot of what I do. Definitely worth checking out, but completely different thing there. But yeah, I'll be exploring that also. So yeah, basically, here's how we're going to do this. We're going to be jumping in. Just realized I'm probably showing up on here because I only have one monitor, so let's minimize that. Yeah. So on our desktop, we're going to go ahead up here into our bar up here. Or sorry, we're going to just go to Launchpad actually. So you can push the Launchpad or however you want to find this. It's up to you. We're going to go into Other. And we're looking for this right here. It's a piece of paper with a pin called Script Editor. We're going to launch that. And it's a very basic IDE basically, where you can type in stuff. You can also push record. I will do a video on that separately. We're just doing basic Hello World AppleScript intro here. So yeah, basically we're just going to start with something very simple. We're going to do display dialog. And in quotations, we're going to put, whatever text we want to display. And this is just a simple pop-up. So display dialog, hello world. I can do command and the plus symbol. I actually got to highlight it first. If I can do that. There we go. And command plus symbol will enlarge the text. So we'll make that a little bigger so you guys can see that on here. That should be good. Let's reorganize here a bit. All right. So as you see, there is no syntax highlighting yet. It's all just in purple on my computer at least. We do have this hammer right here, which basically just compiles it, so we can click that. It's also going to do an error check. Apparently it's going to undo my text size, which is annoying, but whatever. But now you can see we do have some syntax highlighting once it's been compiled. Display dialog, hello world. If it had any errors, like for example, if I forgot the quotations here and compiled, it's actually going to kind of give me a little brief explanation that something was wrong, so that's kind of cool. Let's use the proper thing here. I guess it's a little weird with text here, but whatever. So yeah, everything looks good. We're going to go ahead and just push play, and it's just a simple pop-up. Hello world, cancel, okay. Obviously if I push cancel or okay, we'll just close it out with the same thing. Next up, we can actually get a little fancier here, and we can do what's called a tell function. So we can do tell application. Sorry, typing's a little weird because I'm at an angle here because I got to fit this on my desk somehow. We're going to be talking to the text edit application on here. Just basically, it's the macOS version of Notepad. So tell application, text edit, we do need a tab right here. And what are we going to tell it? We're going to tell it to activate. We then need to say, make new document. Alright. Then we are going to say set text of front document, just to make sure that it's getting the new one versus if I already have one open. Set text of front document, I believe it's 2 and then quotations. And we'll stick with hello world because that's kind of the theme of this video. Here we do not want to indent, we want to close out our function here, so we're just going to say end tell. So as you see, it starts with tell, we need to say end, just so it knows. Go ahead and compile. If everything goes smoothly, I didn't make any, simple mistakes or major mistakes, I guess. You can see it went ahead and did the syntax highlighting. That basically means we're good to go. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to push play or run the script on here. And as you see, it went ahead and opened and typed in hello world. So I actually already had TextEdit open, and it's probably a good thing because as you can see here was my old one that I had open but did nothing with it. So when it did the new, it did make sure to say front document. So whatever the newest one was open, which was the script. So that's kind of important. Let me enlarge this just so you guys can see a little bit bigger on the video. There we go. So yeah, another one pretty simple. Let's take it even a step farther and let's go ahead and get the computer to actually talk for us. So we're going to say, well, the computer's going to say, hello world, and then using, and we just put, whatever name we want. So we're going to use Alex. You just need to see which, every macOS, sometimes they've added some, sometimes they've gotten rid of some, so you do need to kind of play around with that. You can Google a list of all the names, but make sure it works with yours. We're going to put a little delay in there of 1.5 seconds. That's kind of like a sleep and auto hotkeys. And then we'll just have it say something else to show you a different voice that I'm hoping is on here, because I'm not actually 100% sure. Hello to all coders in the world watching. Sure, why not? And then what do we got over here? We got, I think Fred is one. So we'll find out. Alright, no problems there with the syntax highlighting. Let me go ahead and enlarge that so you can see a little better what I did. So there we go. Let me turn my volume on because I'm not sure if it is. And hopefully the computer picks this up, but we're going to go ahead and push play.
Hello world. Hello to all coders in the world watching.
Now I'll admit the voices so far that I've played with on here are not the greatest. They're super robotic sounding versus something like the Echo or the OK Google, or I mean, honestly, even Siri sounds better than these built-in ones, but whatever. But yeah, basically, that's the simple introduction to Hello World, creating your first script. Obviously, you can go up here, push save to save your script. We'll just keep it as untitled, put it on my desktop for viewing purposes. File format is just script, so pretty simple to save. Let's exit out of the script editor completely. And as you can see right here is our untitled. And clicking on this will just basically, it just opens up the script editor back. If you guys want to see another video about this where I take this a little bit farther and actually show you how to assign hotkeys to a script plus other automation, both in using the automator and the script editor, hit the like button, 50 likes, and we'll go to a part 2 of this. Also in the comments below, let me know what else there is that I might not know or remember about macOS with automation that I haven't gotten to yet in my research, just because it's been so long. Hit the subscribe button, throwing out a video every week for you guys, mostly having to do with automation, and let's expand together, I guess. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.